So Excel just got its biggest AI upgrade yet, with two incredible new features: the Copilot formula function and agentic Copilot. Each of these is changing how we work with spreadsheets. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive right in to see what these features are all about. Let's start with the first feature, the Copilot formula function. Imagine typing an AI prompt directly into a spreadsheet cell, the exact same way you'd type any other formula. That's what Copilot offers. You type equals Copilot, then your prompt in plain English, and it runs right there in the cell. What's more, it doesn't just sit there like a sticky note. It produces a real result you can reference in other cells and build on, just like a sum or a VLOOKUP. But how does Excel manage to run an actual AI prompt inside a single cell? The secret lies in Microsoft's Copilot, now built directly into the formula engine itself. This is made possible by Copilot reading your prompt the same way Excel reads any other formula input, and returning a value straight back into that cell. The practical applications of Copilot are vast. Say you've got a column of messy customer feedback that needs sorting into simple categories, or a column of notes that each need a quick one-line summary. Instead of doing either by hand, row by row, you write one Copilot formula, drag it down the column, and the whole thing fills itself in. It's worth knowing, though, that Microsoft's own guidance cautions against relying on it for anything requiring strict, verified accuracy, like final invoice totals, since, like any AI, it can occasionally get something wrong. So for that kind of task, it's best kept as a helpful double-check, sitting next to your real formula, not a replacement for it. Next, we have agentic Copilot. This is where things go a lot further than one cell at a time. In the past, Copilot in Excel could only suggest a single edit and wait for you to approve it. Agentic Copilot changes that completely. Now it can take multi-step actions across an entire workbook on its own, planning and carrying out a whole sequence of steps, the way a person would, rather than pausing after every single change to ask permission. The practical applications of agentic Copilot are just as useful. Say, you've got a messy workbook with data scattered across 5 different tabs that all need to be cleaned, formatted, and pulled into one summary sheet. Instead of doing that tab by tab yourself, you just describe the end result you want, and agentic Copilot works through the entire workbook to get there. So there you have it, 2 incredible AI features from Excel that are changing how we work with spreadsheets. The Copilot formula function brings AI into a single cell, just like any other formula, while agentic Copilot takes that even further, working across an entire workbook on its own. Excel is no longer just a place you enter formulas. It's becoming a place where you describe what you need done, and it gets done. Alright, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates on AI and technology. And also, hit the bell icon to stay notified about my future uploads.